10 days. No second discount, no third discount. Okay, do 100%, 30 days. The first discount you will get 5% on 10 days payment. Okay. Just it is 5/10. Okay. %5 on 10 days payment. Full 30 days. Okay. Full due is on 30 days. 100% due on 30 days. You can fix the payment term as per your wish. Okay. It can be on a fixed date. Means you can set it every month's 15 you will have to pay. Okay. And next is the days. How many days it is? 30 days. And day of the month on a particular day, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you can pay it. And months ahead, means you will jump 1 or 2 months. So like this, you can do the setup. You can give the discounts like first discount, second discount, third discount. You have 100% due. If you pay on the 5th, 10th day, you will be getting a 5% discount. This is the payment term. Click on save. This payment term is saved now. Now you can use this payment term for processing your invoices. Second thing, distribution set. Okay, so distribution set is designed for putting your when you do the accounting, liability account is coming from the supplier level. Okay, so distribution set, if you define, you can very well assign the accounting for expenses. Let's say instead of you putting all the account, all the company location, account and department and everything, the configuration team will do distribution set. Let's say cost of goods sold. Number 1, 100%. 100% will go in this account. C1 CHN purchase 5110. Okay. In this account it will go. You can very well distribute this 100 amount to any other amount as well. Okay. Now save this in. So this is saved. So when I process the invoice, I can very well use this cost of goods sold as a distribution set. So it will do the accounting. So now we have done one setup of payment term as well as the distribution set. Now we will use this one. Go to invoices, entry, batches. I'm going to use the same batch what we have processed earlier, but you can very well use the new batch entry. this is all okay. Hardware purchase, payment terms. Terms date, payment terms. 5/10. See, 5/10, full 30 days. So it is coming over here. Check. Standard, pay group as standard. Taxation country, India. Okay. This is you entered. Okay. Come on the lines. Amount is 5,000. Okay. I here attach distribution set. Cost of goods sold. Okay. If I attach this, save. Go to general, click on actions, validate. Okay. See, the invoice got validated. So in the lines, you have two options. Either you use the distribution set, which I did here, cost of goods sold. If not, you can come over here to enter the amount, click on distribution and enter these details. So right now you see all the accounting completed by itself as soon as I select the distribution set. So some company prefers to have a distribution set to avoid any wrong accounting so that the processing can be done easily. That is the main purpose of the distribution set. If the company wants to avoid wrong accounting process by employees. So this is one thing. Okay. Next we proceed for invoices, payment term, distributions gone. Expense report we will see later. Expense report is related to employee related expenses. So that is one complete process. It is called as I expenses in this accounts payable module, which we will see later only. Hold and release names. Okay. Hold and release names means sometimes what happens, you want to what we say, you want to hold your supplier invoices for payments or further processing, etc., etc. So companies sometimes create their holds by themselves. Okay. So suppose say I want to book an invoice. I'm going to place him. No account. Okay. I'm going to place this one hold. Type of hold, it is invoice hold. Accounting allowed, not allowed. Manual release allowed, yes. Okay. And I will process invoice release region also, hold and release. So process accounting here we have invoice release region, accounting allowed. Now close this window. Now we go again invoices, entry, batches. Press F11, go to the same batch, invoices. This is right now manual setup. So that's the reason I'm putting manually all these voucher numbers. There is a very well setup you can do for the automatic as well. Okay. Now I am putting hold, no accounting. Okay. I go general, action, validate. It says needs revalidation. If I go hold, no accounting is already there. So this will not get processed. See here you can see hold is 1. It will not allow me to process further. This hold I placed, no accounting, means it will not do the validation as well. The only thing I can do is the release this, as this manual, this is placed manually, so I can put a release reason, process accounting, and click on release. Okay. process accounting and save it. The released, the hold is now released. If you go in general, hold is 0. The status got validated. So this is the how holds get work. Even you can do the another hold for other things. Here we have many things over here, amount and all these things. You can very well set up your details and place the hold. Okay. So see, this is very much pretty much simple how you process your suppliers invoices. Nowadays, there is some process automations are going on. So based on this process automation, if it is a recurring job, you receive invoice, you enter the invoice and all this. This can be now managed through robotic process automation, where no manual entry is required or required only the 10 to 20% of manual intervention to check the correctness of the entry. Otherwise, 100% processing of accounts payable is nowadays is automatic. So this is what we entered. Now, click on scheduled payments. Scheduled payment, it is telling that due date is this one, payment amount is this, priority 19, method is check. You can very well hold the payment by click on the hold. If you select this one, it means that you are processing a hold on this invoice for the payment processing. So payment will not be done. It will stop there. So we will discuss once we complete the AR also, AR basic things. So I will do the tax setup separately for both modules AR and AP, and then we'll process few invoices in accounts receivable, accounts payable for the with the taxes. So now this is done. Now we will go through the setups related to payments. Setups. Okay, we have calendar here. That is aging periods. You can define special aging period in case you want to generate the supplier aging report. Accounting calendar period, the same way the how it is the periods defined in the GL. Special calendar, sometimes you need to define some special calendar for these items. Okay, recurring invoices, you can define it. With withholding tax, you can define separate calendar. Payment terms, you can define separate calendars. So most of the organizations use the standard calendar, no need of defining special calendar. Special calendar only in case when you have a real necessary, like in some countries, there is the need to define the withholding tax calendar, mostly withholding tax calendar separately. Now we come to the payments. Okay, currency we already have seen in the GL. Most of these options are already we have seen, just here given, like credit card processing also we have. Accounting setups, it is coming from the GL only. Categories, it is new one. Okay, we'll now see the payments. Okay, bank charge calculator, bank account, bank branches, payment administration, transaction fees, etc., etc. Okay. For, for doing payments, you need a bank account setup. So, how you will do this one? Click bank and bank branches. This will open a HTML page. Okay. If you see, this is an overview of accounts available. If you click on India, you have these many bank accounts already opened. This many bank actually, not bank accounts. So in the bank account, if you see Hyderabad branch, Mumbai branch, branches are already there. And inside the branches, you have these many accounts already opened, bank accounts. So we can process our own new bank account very well. Click on banks. Create. Create a new bank and select an existing party and add the bank details. Okay, we are going to create a bank country. Bank name, let's say HSBC India. Bank number, let's say 0001. No other things we are defining. Okay. Save and next. Okay, it is asking us to create an address. Create. India. And click on apply. I'm not going through the complete address. Okay, this is done. Now save and next. If any bank contact details you want to add, like a relationship manager's detail, you can very well enter. Click on finish. So you have created now HSBC Bank. There is create branch option available here, or you can go very well on bank branches. So I'm going to create a branch here option. Country India, bank name HSBC India. Continue. When you continue, here you have to create a new branch. HSBC India Chennai branch. Okay, branch type, keep others because other methods used mostly in international context. Most of the time it is preferred is the other. Okay. Branch number, you can very well give 0001. A big number, if anything you have. RFC identifier, nothing. Most of the things are related to when you have the electronic processings of bank statements and other things you will do. In the real time, you will have to fill most of the details. Otherwise, not required. Bank address. Create. India. This Okay. Apply. Save next. So if you want to add any contact, otherwise finish. So we have now created the bank branches. Now we'll create the create account. Okay, HSBC India Chennai account, Chennai branch. Click on continue. So here it is. We have the first and very first thing, bank account owner. Bank account owner is your legal entity. There is one program has to be run, and for which I guess responsibility is there or not. Just a second. I forgot the name. If you do not remember anything, just search something and it will come out on the Google. That's, okay, here we have one reason, another reason. Okay, we have this program to be run. CUMX security visa. After running this only, first we have to create the test management responsibility and the security responsibility define. Test management. Test management. IT India. Application cash management responsibility. Cash management. IT India. 0.72,000. Okay. Data group standard cash management menus CP super user or application cash management request group all reports cash management. So assign it to your user ID. Management. IT. Cash management, I think. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Cancel. They have to do profile option setters for this also. Every time you create a new responsibility, you have to update the profile options. And whatever I am doing is the basic profile options for setups. There is lots and lots of profile options available. Most of them are available to system administrators who will do database administration. They will do. Okay. So first is the HR security profile. Okay, HR security profile, IT Corporation, India. HR Business Group, IT Corporation India is there. Now next go to GL ledger name. GL ledger name, the ledger ID, GL ledger, and the operating unit. MO operating unit. IT IT private limited. Okay. Now this responsibility is ready. Cash management. I think, yeah. Okay, here also you can process the bank account related setups. So first we have to run the program to enable our legal entity. You may not assign yourself a responsibility allowing access to functions restricted by. Okay. I need to check with this server administrator to run this program for me. I guess work. I have to check with this administrator and run this program for me. So we will continue with the bank account setup and etc. Tomorrow. I thought tomorrow, today we'll finish this one and tomorrow we'll start with the revision of this accounts. But anyways, tomorrow we will complete this accounts payable module. Okay, Lavanya.
Okay, sir. Fine.
This program I have to ask him to run for me.
Okay.
Okay. So any doubt you have, you can ask me now.
No, tomorrow while revision, I'll ask you, sir.
Okay.
Let me practice till this.
Huh? Sorry?
Till this, I'll complete from my side.
Okay. Sure.
That's it.
Okay. So we see
Okay,
each other tomorrow and thank you for joining the session.
thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.